If you had a headache in the year 1890, your doctor might have prescribed you heroin. If you were feeling moody in the 1940s, they might have scrambled your brain with an ice pick. We like to think of history as a slow climb toward progress, but when it comes to medicine, it was a literal house of horrors. Today, we are looking at 7 bizarre medical practices that prove it's a miracle any of our ancestors survived. For over 500 years, Europeans were unintentional cannibals. From the 12th to the 17th century, mumia, which was literally ground-up Egyptian mummies, was sold in apothecaries. They believed that the remains of the ancient dead contained a life force that could cure everything from stomach ulcers to internal bleeding. If you were wealthy, you weren't just visiting the museum, you were eating it. In the late 1800s, mothers dealing with crying babies reached for Mrs. Winslow's soothing syrup. The secret ingredient? A massive dose of morphine and alcohol. It worked, the babies stopped crying, but many never woke up. At the same time, Bayer, the aspirin company, was marketing heroin as a non-addictive cough suppressant for children. It took decades to realize we were turning a generation into addicts. In the 1940s, Dr. Walter Freeman decided that the best way to treat mental illness was to access the brain through the eye socket. He used a tool modeled after an ice pick, tapped it through the thin bone with a mallet, and swiped it back and forth to sever the frontal lobe. He performed this in the back of his Lobotomobile across America. The result? Most patients were left in a permanent vegetative state. For 2000 years, doctors believed all sickness was caused by bad blood. The solution? Cut the patient open and let them bleed. This is actually what killed George Washington. He had a throat infection, and his doctors drained nearly 40% of his blood in 24 hours. He didn't die of the cold, he died of blood loss. In the 1700s, if you were pulled out of a river nearly drowned, the first thing a doctor would do is blow tobacco smoke up your backside. They believed the heat and nicotine would jumpstart the lungs. There were even bellows kits stationed along the river Thames for public use. It gives a whole new meaning to blowing smoke. Ancient doctors were obsessed with mercury. It was used to treat syphilis, skin diseases, and was even consumed by the first emperor of China, Qin Shi Huang, who thought it would make him immortal. Instead, it caused his organs to fail and drove him into a paranoid madness. It turns out, the silver liquid was just a slow-motion execution. This is the oldest surgical procedure in history. Archaeologists have found skulls from 7,000 years ago with perfectly round holes bored into them. The reason? To let out evil spirits that caused seizures or headaches. The scariest part? Evidence shows many patients actually survived the surgery and lived for years with a literal hole in their head. It makes you wonder, 100 years from now, what modern, medical practice will people look back on and find absolutely terrifying? If you enjoyed this dive into the dark side of history, hit the subscribe button. It helps us keep the lights on here at Historical Happenings.